Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class. In the previous video, we studied about present continuous tense and past continuous tense, how we can change into interrogative. Okay, and today we are going to start question words. Okay, today we will start question words. Okay, question words means question words, that is also called WH words, like what, where, why, who, whom, whose. Okay, how much, how many, all these are the question words. Okay, all these are the question words. And how do we change into interrogative, that we are going to study today. Okay, so first of all let me write the question words. Okay, okay, so question words or WH words. So these are what, where, when, why, which, who, whom, how. Okay, so these are the question words. These are the question words, or it is also called WH words. Okay, you can see here everywhere WH is there na. WH is there na, starting WH. What, where, when, why, which, who, whom, how. Now you will say here we are not getting WH word, but how also comes in the category of question words or WH words. Okay, so as you can see everywhere this is called the WH words, as well as this is also called question words. Okay, and you can see here everywhere WH is given in the starting two letters. WH is there na. What, where, when, why, which, who, whom, how. Okay, here we are not getting WH. Okay, but still how it comes in the question words or WH words. Clear? How it also comes in WH words. Okay, so one by one I will write the example of that. Okay, so here first I will write the example of what. What are you doing? What are you doing? So as you can see here, I have used here question word what. Okay. Now how we can form the this kind of interrogative sentence. So first of all in WH words, first of all we will write the WH words. Okay. Then helping verb, then subject. Okay. And then verb. Whatever the, if it is continuous tense, so we will use according that. Continuous tense we use ing form. If simple present, so we use verb base form. Simple past, according that we will use. We already studied. Okay, so here first example I have given here. What are you doing? This is the example of present continuous tense. So when we get the WH words or question words, we form it like that. First of all, we use WH word. If in the question WH is there in the sentence, so we don't write are or helping verb before, okay, in the starting. In the starting we will write WH words. Okay, so whatever the WH word, here one example I have written, that is what. After that helping verb, then subject, then main verb. Clear? This is the structure of question words, how we form. Clear? Again, when we write WH words in a statement, in a sentence, okay, or question words in a sentence, in interrogative sentence, so first of all we write WH word or question word, okay, after that helping verb, then subject, then main verb. Clear? Okay, let's see the another example. Where are you going? Another example I have written of WH or question word, that is where. So as you can see, when we start such kind of questions, such kind of statements, we write first of all WH word or question word. So here I have used here where, and then helping verb, subject, and then main verb. That rest will be the same. Okay, rest will be the same whatever we studied in the previous videos. Okay, but when we write the question words, we write question words first, rest will be the same like that, whatever we studied in the previous videos. Okay. Another example I am writing. This is also the example of present continuous tense. Now, when. Okay. So another example I have written, when does he go to school? Another example I have written here, when does he go to school? Can you tell me, this is the example of, if I cover this when, so this is the example of does he go to school, that we already studied. This is the example of which tense? Simple present tense, and we studied there in the negative also and interrogative also we use do, does according the subject. So as you can see here I have used he. Here he is the subject, so you already know with he what we use? We use does. With he, she, it, one name, singular name we use does. With I, we, you, they, plural names, more than one names we use do. So here in the sentence, he is given, that is why I have used here does. Okay. So when does he go to school? Question mark everywhere, that is already you know. So when does he go to school? In the question word, in the WH words, first of all we write the WH word or question word, then rest will be the same whatever we studied in the previous video. After that helping verb will come, okay, and then subject, then main verb and object if it is there, okay, and last question mark. Clear? So this is the example of what, where, when. I hope this much is clear. Okay. Now let's see the another example. Why? Why does she come here? Another example. Fourth example. Why does she come here? Another example of why. Okay. So as you know, in the question words, we follow the question word first of all, then helping verb, subject, main verb. Okay. and if object is there we will write, otherwise sometime we don't get the object, so their object will not be there. So here why does she come here? So here as you can see, WH word, then helping verb, then subject, main verb, and sign of interrogation question mark. So this is the pattern we write in the question word or WH word. This is the way we make the sentence or we write the sentence. Okay. So first we write question word, then helping verb, subject, main verb. This much is only very much important. When we get the question word, we should write first of all at the beginning question word will be there. Okay, question word will be there at the beginning. Another example of which I am writing. Which is your book. Okay. So the another example I have written of which is your book. So I hope this is clear already. Now I want to make another sentence of which. Okay. Okay. Which book do you want? Okay, both. Which book do you want? In the first which you can see which is your book. In the second statement I have written which book do you want? Both are correct. Okay. So in some cases like which, this example I am giving. So this one I am telling you. So in which, sometime after which, according the sentence we use noun also. As you can see here, book is noun, na? Book is noun, no? So in this kind also we make the sentence of which. I am talking about which. Okay. So which book do you want? So sometimes if question will be like that, so we follow the noun also after which. Earlier I said okay, with WH after that helping verb will come and then subject and then main verb. Okay, that is okay, but sometimes question statements we form like that also. So in which, I am talking about which we can write, we will get two kinds of which in the question word, or you can say in the interrogative sentence. So this is which is your book. This is the one way, and another way it is given which book do you want. So sometime after which helping verb will come, and sometime after which noun will also come. Clear? So after which who. So now I am writing the example of who. Who came to your house yesterday? Who came to your house yesterday? This is the example of who. Now who also work as a subject. Okay, it also work as a subject. So sometimes we use who like the subject. Okay, who came to your house yesterday? Okay, this is the first way I am telling. Now the second way. Who does not like milk? Now this is the example, who does not like milk. As you can see, First example I have given of simple past tense, and second one is simple present tense. As you can see in the second one, generally whatever we have done just now, just WH word, then helping verb. Okay, so such kind of statements already we did. Now here sometimes who works as a subject also. Clear? Here who is the subject. See the another example. Now whom? Okay, whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? So whom example I have written here. Whom do you want to meet? So as you see, WH word, it always, when we form the question word or WH word, it always comes at the beginning. Okay. So whom, then again according the rule, that's helping verb, subject and main verb. Clear? After this, after whom, whose. Whose I have not written here. Whose is also there. Okay. Whose. So another example I am writing whose. Whose book is he reading now? Whose book is he reading now? Whose book is he reading now? This is another example I have written of whose. Again I told in the which example, which book, that example I gave you, no, that which book do you want. Okay, in the same way with whose also we use after whose noun will come. Okay, after which book, whose book. Okay, so in which also after which noun can come. In this example whose, after whose noun will come. Okay, after whose noun will come. Now another example, how many and how much. How many pencil do they want? So this is the example of how. How many pencils do they want? Again with how, and one more example let me write. How much? How much milk is the child drinking? Okay, so two example I have written here with how. So one example I have written how many pencils do they want. After how, as you can see here, how many I have used. Okay, so how many, sometimes according the statement, according the sentence we use how many. Okay, now how many pencils do you want and how much milk is the child drinking? What is the difference between in both of the sentences? So many we use with the countable nouns. As you can see, pencil is countable noun. No, we can count the pencil. So that is why we have used here many. Okay, we use we can count pencil. No, pencil we can count it. So that is why we have used here many. How many pencils, how many students are there. Okay, so countable nouns, the nouns we can count, there we use how many. And which noun, those are uncountable, we use how much. So milk we cannot count, so here we will use how much milk. So that is already clear where we use how many we use with the countable nouns which we can count, how much we use with the uncountable noun which we cannot count. Clear? So use of how, I hope you understood how many, how much. Another example, I am just only telling you how are you. That is also another use of how. How are you? Okay, how are you? Another example of how, where we use the how, WH word or question word, then helping verb, subject and main verb. That is another way, and this is the another way to write the statements. Okay. But one thing we have to remember, we always use WH word or question words at the beginning of the sentence in interrogative sentence. So another example, how are you? I am also writing that is also used. How are you? Okay. So this is the example. How are you? How much, use of how much, how many, already I taught you where we use how much and where we use how many. Okay. And with the countable we use how many, with uncountable nouns we use how much. Okay. Now with how much, how many, and with whose, which, after that we use noun. Okay. How many, how much, whose, which, then noun. How much milk, how many pencils, which book. Okay, that example already I told you. Which book do you want? How many pencils do they want? So according the subject we follow do, does, or whatever the tense is there, that we will follow according the subject. Clear? How much, how many, whose, and which. After that we use noun also, and sometimes after how much, after which, or after how, a helping verb also comes. Okay. So that already I taught you. Use of what, where, when, why, which, who, whom, whose, how many, how much. Okay, already I hope this much is clear. Okay, very good. Now that day I gave you exercise A, page number 19. I gave you exercise A, page number 19, exercise A. That day I gave, you will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 to 5 I gave this exercise. Those who have done, very good. Those who have not done, no problem, you try to do. Clear? Now exercise A, this exercise A and exercise B, and then page number 20, exercise C, learners drill. Okay, exercise C, learners drill. All three exercises I have uploaded. Download it, dear students, and complete your work in the book. I repeat, page number 19, exercise A, exercise B. Okay, and next page, page number 20, exercise C, learners drill. All three exercises I have uploaded on school website. Please download it and complete it. You will complete in your book only. Okay, you will write in the book only. Clear? That only I told you, you will write in the book only. Clear? So exercise A, B, C, we will write in the book with the pencil, and in this chapter we are not going to do anything in the copy also. Okay, everything we'll do in the book. Clear? Okay, so complete your work. I have already uploaded exercise A, B, C. Okay, download it and complete your work. And you will complete in the book with the pencil. Clear? With the pencil you will complete your work. Okay, so I hope all have done the essay. So many days before only I just uploaded. I hope everybody has done that essay. Okay, so complete your notes, complete your that work in the copy whatever I gave you, and in the book exercises please complete it and prepare all the exercises as well as the definitions whatever I gave you, and essay also I gave you, prepare it. Okay, and for today's this much only. Thank you.